Hey internet, so the code is in the pinned comment. It's also in the description in GitHub. So here is the JPEG. It is a engineering table. So what this code will do, it will scan it and turn it into an Excel spreadsheet. Note that I am just learning how to code, and this is one of my coding projects, so let's just begin. So you just type in the file path of your JPEG. So I'm just gonna copy path, copy and paste. It'll ask you to save it into a location, so we're gonna save it at the same place, and also give it a file name. So test1.xlsx. It is case sensitive. It needs to be lowercase. Okay, it is done saving. Press any key to escape. Cool. As you can see, there is test1. And it looks bad, but if you have a side-by-side comparison, you will notice it's actually not that bad. So it's captured all the data. The reason why it's shifted one column to the right is because it separates different words. So carbon dioxide, for example, is 2 words. So it's got one column for carbon and one column for dioxide. This is an easy fix. You just put all these into one column and just shift the data into the left one column. So it's not that big of a deal, and I would say it's totally fine. It's not bad for using a free OCR tesseract to scan it. I feel like this was a good project to learn how to use the OCR. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends, ring the bell, turn on all notifications. Leave a comment below if this was helpful. Until next time, see ya.